Hey, what's up everybody? 2023 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. We're going to be using these arrows right here, and then this OK button, and then maybe the back button. But first, let's go ahead and push the down arrow. I'm going to get closer. It's going to be here in your dashboard. So go up and down, and then we're going to go to the gear right here, and then go right. Go right all the way over to the car with the little gear. Push and hold OK. Okay, now you got your tire pressure warning light system setting, and scheduled maintenance is right here. We're going to push OK and hold it. It'll say reset data. Scroll up to yes. Push and hold. OK. This one's taking a sec. There it goes. You have to hold it for a minute. Reset complete. And that's how you reset the maintenance light on a 2023 Toyota Corolla.